Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing the Dyson Cyclone V10. So there is a newer model called the V11, which has a bigger motor. It pushes around 20% more power, and it has slightly bigger battery. But within the price range I was looking at, so this one is around £399 or around 430 euros. I purchased this one just to see how a Dyson Hoover is, so this is my first one. So let's quickly unbox it. In the middle. So let's just have a quick look at this. I'm going to turn the box around. You're not going to get the whole box in the screen, but you should be able to see what I want you to show. Yes. So again, this is the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal. So there is the other version. The Animal one is the base model one. You don't get one extra head, which is for carpet. But I've heard that you can, if you don't have too much carpet in the house, then it should be fine. And it has suction power of a full-size vacuum, so that's what interested me the most. So it says Dyson digital motor V10 spins up to 125,000 RPM. So as you can see, that is fairly fast. So it's got 14 arrayed cyclones. So they're the little tubes that go with inside to suck the air in. They're all in this area here. So they're all in this area here. Okay, battery life on this is around 60 minutes. But again, there's three options on here. There's super turbo, heavy suction, and then standard. The standard one will allow you to take it up to 60 minutes. Super turbo would only allow it to go up to around 8 minutes of use. That's if you want a deep clean. And then there's the push turbo one, which will basically push it slightly more and last around 30 minutes. So if we look at the side of the box, as you can see, it's just showing you some images, same information again, but you can also see how it is, the shape and the size. It's very thin, very narrow, and quite lightweight. At the back, it's just got some more information. So it says digital cyclone motor V10, spins up at 1,250 RPM. To create a 20% more suction. It's 20% smaller as well, and half the weight of a Dyson Digital V8. So we have the next model up. You also have 7-cell nickel, so that's the battery, aluminium battery, so that allows it to hold a lot more. It also has direct drive, it has direct brush bar power, so it basically means the suction is coming from the key areas that you need. And it has a carbon fiber, so it's got carbon fiber cloth thing that spins around grabbing the dust and the dirt. So it's grabbing the dust and the dirt. Other than that, you've got the other side, the final side. So on this side, it shows you images of how you can use it in the house, on your sofa, in corners, how you can use it as a portable hoover, a long hoover to reach higher areas, wood flooring, carpets, everything. As I move it up, you should be able to see that it shows you only Dyson's 2-year hassle-free guarantee has all of this. So you get support from experts at Dyson, you get repairs at your home or work, and you get genuine Dyson parts and labour. So that's covered within 2 years, which is great, but what is advised is Dyson's quite well known for the small parts that you wouldn't think of will break. They generally break after a year or two, depending on use. But the good thing is their service is really good, so I would advise you to get another 3 years warranty to take that up to 5 years. So by then you'll probably upgrade anyway. So other than that, let's open it up, guys. Pause. So to open it, there's 2 hinges on the side. You just need to cut the sellotape. Once you cut this tape, they normally don't allow you to return. I purchased this one from Argos. They're very adamant that once you open the box, you cannot return it to them at all, even if it doesn't work on first use. Good thing is I am recording this, So I'm hoping if they try to say, if there's any issues, I've got it all on video, but it shouldn't be. So when you first open this, you'll get your welcome to your Dyson, you'll get an envelope with, I'm guessing it's the warranty documents. Put that to one side. We'll get this out. So this is the extension head. Very well packaged. This is what you pay for. You pay for the service and the unboxing experience. I can unbox it. Here we go. Ooh, now that is nice. It's aluminium with plastic on either side and the attachment. So this is the extender. Let's leave this on the ground. You can see it still. Okay. Okay, fine. So then you've got the smaller brush head with that inside. That looks like that. That's for all the nooks and crannies and to reach harder areas. You've also got the extender for tiny little gaps. So this will be useful for if you want to use it in your car. There is quite a lot of accessories, guys. So bear with me when I try to open every single one up. So as you can see with this one, you've got the bristles, the brush head. Looks really nice and shiny. You can see Dyson's put a lot of care into their attention to detail. Let's place that. So then you've got the main motor, the main brush head. So this is the main one that you'll be using on the floor. And this is the one that has the carbon fiber bristles on it. As you can see here, it's the same on all of them. It's got a 180-degree rotation and a 90-degree up and down rotation. So these are the bristles. You've got a thick one and a soft one here to pick up dirt. The V11, the difference with the V11 brush head one is it's got gaps in the middle which allow bigger dirt to go inside. But let's just put this down here. There's quite a lot of bits, guys, I'm sorry. Then you've got the Dyson Plug. They also provide a wall mount for this. I'm hoping it's inside. This is the smaller brush head. So this is for smaller areas. It doesn't turn. You have to turn it manually with the top. But yeah. Like I said, Dyson do give a lot for their money. Considering the quality is meant to be the best out there, and the packaging is really good. Okay, so what is this? I have no idea. Okay, so this here, guys, it comes with a manual, but this is the wall mount. So this will plug into the wall, connect something like that, and that allows you to charge it and put the bits wherever you need it to go. You get the manual here explaining to you. So now what looks like is left is pretty much the main area. The big guns, guys, the big guns. You check there's nothing else in the box. No, we can remove the box. And now this is the main gun itself. So Dyson pre-charge it to make sure that it's operating. They test them all before putting it out into the market. And yeah, it looks pretty damn neat and tidy and clean. I do like it. Looks like a futuristic gun. But yeah, so let's just quickly look at all the accessories one last time. So guys, what do you get for £399? So you get the Dyson main motor, you get the extension adapter, you get also the fine tip, which allows you to get into nooks and crannies, you get the hard surface hoover part, and you get the smaller one, which I'm not too sure what it's for, to be fair. Then you get the brush head there, and you get a smaller fine tip brush head. So the smaller fine tip one is good for cars and other small areas like that. You also get the mounting brackets and the charging. So this was a quick unboxing of the Dyson V10 Animal. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be testing it out and hopefully uploading another video. Peace out, guys.